Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. Thank you. Grand rising everyone. I hope you are thriving. This is a 2-year-old Umpile Sitole. She was last seen in Ramakopane, Limpopo on the 2nd of May 2026. She was wearing a pink jersey and a black tie. Please, if you know anything, contact South African Police Service and to parents and guardians. This is not a judge, but to protect our children. Always know where your child is. Teach them not to go to any stranger. Make sure someone you trust is always watching them at all times. Batswadi, bana ba na le tendency le ya go khumana gore o ipotsa gore ba raloka pleke so ga ne ba shiftile ba ralokela pleke so. Always make sure gore mo ba leng gona wa tseba. Always tseba dipleke tša bona tša go ralokela. It takes a second for a child to miss, but it takes time to find them. This is not the first incident e lore ya tlhaga mo Limpopo. Last it happened at Ramphahlele. Even now we are still. And one thing for sure e lore e no go tlhaga mo baneng, a stranger will always offer bana maybe lekere or something. Are e tla go nna go ba o tle o tšee. Goba a stranger o kgona go lata bana ba dutse a re mo bona re ke tseba mama gago a re tsamaye le nna re molate la tseba gore bana ba jwang ke dilo tse le re tshwanetse re ding re ge re dutse le bana re re o seke wa tsamaya le motho o le gore ga o mo tsebe goba wa tšea anything to a person that you don't know. And guys, please do comment, like, subscribe and click the notification channel for more updates. Thank you.